Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laviva, guys. So today I'm going to make for you banana wine. So sit down, relax and wait. And I'm kindly asking you to subscribe to my channel and also comment, and also comment where you people are watching me. Okay guys, let's start. As you can see guys, these are my bananas. Have you seen them? They are not that overripe. So I'm going to peel them. I'm going to first wash them, then peel them. Let me wash them first. Let me makan this. Let me throw that. So I'm going to start to peel them like this. After peeling them, let's blend them. Then I'm going to smear them. I'm going to cut them in small pieces, smaller pieces like this. Sorry. Like this guys, as you can see. And then I'm going to rewash them again. As you can see, the water is dirty, so I'm going to rewash them twice. Okay. And then pour them. Then I'm going to add this water. This is drinking water, pure drinking water. Make sure that it's a clean water. Okay. So I'm going to cover it for 3 days so that we can drink the wine after 3 days. So I'm just going to cover it. Okay, let me just cover it with this sufuria because that is, I'll use what I have for now. Okay. So after 3 days we will come and check on it. Okay. Let me put it. Bye bye. As you can see, guys, after 3 days my banana one is ready. So we just want to save it now. Okay. Let me show them my banana. As you can see, this one is my banana wine after 3 days. Okay. It smells very nice. Okay. So, my beautiful people, this is what I'm going to use to sieve my banana wine. Okay. I'm going to put like this. Answer. Then I'm going. Then I'll pour like this. Whoops! I'm sorry, guys. I'm going to start again. This sufuria is better. No, bad. So I'm going to sieve it in this sufuria. As you can see. Let's sieve it, guys. Continue sieving it. See wine. Wow. As you can see, this one are the remains of the banana wine. So I'm going to throw them away because I don't know what I can do with them. So if you know what I can do with them, you can comment on in the comment section so that I can know. So I'm going to throw them away. This one is the end results of my banana wine. So I'm going to sieve it again so that it can be clean, because I can see there are some particles of banana that came down here. So I'm going to sieve it again. See? The end results of my banana wine, as you can see. So I'm going to put them here. You see, guys, this one is my banana wine. So sweet. I don't know, it's so sweet, guys. I once tasted. So I'm going to put it here so that I can taste. Cheers. Wow. So sweet and tasty. Wow. Guys, so sweet. I welcome you all. And guys, that's the end of my video. These are the results of my banana wine. So kindly, I ask you to subscribe for me. Kindly watch my videos till the end. Kindly run my playlist, guys, so that I can finalize my watch hours and be monetized. And also, I kindly ask you guys to comment on my videos so that I can know where are you people watching me from. Okay, guys, and also comment on which videos you would like me to make for you. Okay, guys, and until next time, bye bye. Kindly remember to play my run list, to play my playlist. That is what I can tell you guys. Okay, bye bye. Mwah. Love you all. Bye. See you.